Today we're going to be making vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is super simple to make, very short ingredients list. You're going to need a good high alcohol content vodka. I'm going to be using a 100 proof or 50% vodka. You can find out the percentage of your vodka or your alcohol by having the proof. So whatever the proof is, divide by 2, that's going to be what the alcohol content of that liquor is. It's best to use a vodka, but you can use a white rum or another white alcohol or clear alcohol. You'll need a sterilized bottle. You'll need vanilla beans. Now the way we prep the vanilla beans are super simple. What you're going to do is you're going to take the bean and you're going to use a very sharp knife and you're just going to score the top half of the bean down the length. You can see this one I've already done, and if you look inside you can see the contents of the vanilla. I don't know if I can get a close-up of that for you. You see it's kind of gooey. And then once you have that done, you're not going to really fillet it open, but you just want it to be able to get the alcohol in it, and you're going to drop it into the bottle. It's that simple. So I'm just going to show you how we do it. Hold your knife down lower so you don't put too much pressure on it. And you're just going to go down the length. And you don't want to go all the way through, like I said, you just want to be able to score it. And it's really super simple. The great part about the vanilla beans is they are so potent that as you use your extract, if you continually top it off with more alcohol, you can continue to use the same beans for quite a while. Giving you a pretty steady supply of extract. And there we go. So they're all scored, and we're just going to poke them into our bottle. Now, because there's not as much content as far as girth of the bean, and it's not taking up as much bottle space, it will require a bit more alcohol. You want to make sure that the beans are covered completely in alcohol. So I'm going to go ahead and I will be right back with the alcohol. So now we're going to take our funnel, put it into the top of the bottle, and go ahead and pour our alcohol in. It's a really simple, straightforward process. I'm going to need a little bit more. And we're just going to continue filling the bottle until we have full coverage over all of those beans. All right, and we've got a little bit more to add. And there we go. So I'll pour the rest of this back into the bottle. And then all we are going to do is cork the bottle. Now this came with an actual real cork. If you don't have the cork, or if your cork got damaged, my boys played with it so it got a little broken. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, which is a wine saver. Oops. And there we go. All right, so same deal as with other extracts. You want to store this in a cool, dark place. I'm going to go ahead and store it underneath a kitchen cabinet. You're going to take it out once a week, give it a shake, allow all that vanilla goodness to mix in with the alcohol and allow the alcohol to leach all the flavor out. And then in 6 weeks, you can go ahead and strain into your own measuring bottle for your extract. And like I said, if you go ahead and top this off with additional alcohol every time you take some out for your extract bottle, you can continue to use these beans until they stop producing a dark, rich color. And that's it. That's how you make vanilla extract.